Hi guys, I have new purchases. I want to show it to you. I'm so excited. I only have two, but this is super nice because I need this. Oh my gosh. Yay. So this one is I really need it. This is not a want. This is a necessity. This is a need because I have a lot of pants and I can't use it here because I don't have press. So now I ordered one. Look at this. It's so small. It's handy. See? Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. So what's this for? And this one, what's this? Ah, it's the resture. So if you're done pressing the clothes, you can put it there, right? And then this one is for the water. I love it. And they gave me the color that I want. I love it. Oh my gosh, later I will use it. I'll try it because it's church day tomorrow and I'll be using a pair of slacks. And this one, oh my gosh, I think the size is correct because it's kind of big. This one, I'll show it to you first. Whoa, whoa, whoa. See, do you know what this is? Oh my gosh, I love it. See, it's so big. Nice. And look at that. It's good. It's not what do you call that? It's not slippery. See? Oh my gosh, do you know where I'm gonna put this? So, I'm gonna put this here in front of the shoe cabinet. Oh, see? Because we're changing the shoes here. Oh, see? It's so nice. And you know what? I put this here, the big square sofa, because my husband is always changing his shoes here. So I want him to sit here and the shoes are right there. Oh, diba? So when he's changing his shoes, he is not making our floor dirty. Diba? Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Thank you for watching. Bye.